All right, guys, welcome once again. We have this question before us. If sine into bracket a minus b close bracket equals to 1 over 2, cos open bracket a plus b, equals to 1 over 2, 0 degrees is less than a plus b, and a plus b is less than 90. A is greater than b. Find a and b. Find a and b. This is a pretty simple question to look at. So let's start. Solution. So now, don't forget. Now the first one says sine a minus b equals 1 over 2. Don't forget, in our special angles, the value of 1 over 2 is what? Sine 30. If you don't forget that sine 30 is 1 over 2. So you now say sine a minus b, because this 1 over 2 is the same thing as sine 30. All right, so you're saying sine 30 degrees. So since we have this, so you equate both of them, they are sine. You understand? So you just equate like this one. So you equate a minus b to 30. You understand now? Because sine, this is sine, this is also sine. So this is equal to this. So which means their angle is equal to each other. The angle of this one is a minus b, and the angle of this one is 30 degrees. So you equate the angles to each other. So you have a minus b equals to 30 degrees. So this is our equation 1. So the second part of it says that cos a plus b in the question equals to 1 over 2. All right. And what in the special angle, what will give us 1 over 2 in terms of cos? And we have cos 60 to be 1 over 2. So we have cos a plus b equals to cos 60. All right, so the same thing here, we have cos, both are cos, so we equate their angles. So a plus b equals to 60 degrees, so equation 2. So we add equation 1 and equation 2 together. So we have, no, you just say you solve them simultaneously. So we solve them simultaneously, equation 1 and equation 2. So when you have them together, we have a minus b equals to 30, and a plus b equals to 60. All right, so we have, so b will be eliminated. So we have 2a equals to 30 plus 60 is 90 degrees. So we divide both sides by 2 because 2 is the coefficient of a. So a equals to 45 degrees. All right, because we are still going to check for the validity. All right, so now let's solve for b. Let's solve for b. Since a is 45 degrees, so what is b? Don't forget, we can use any of the equation. You can solve simultaneous equation. So I'm going to use equation 1. A minus b equals to 30, and my a is 45 degrees. So I will say 45 degrees. I will substitute it here. Minus b equals to 30 degrees. So 40b equals to 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. So b is what? 15 degrees. All right. So, and we were told that in the question that a is greater than b. So as you can see from here, a is 45, b is 15 degrees. It means our answer is valid, is correct. All right. So let's go into the second question. Number 2, they said if sine a plus 2b equals to root 3 over 2 and cos a plus 4b equals to 0, find a and b. The same approach. All right. So sine a plus 2b equals to, now in the special angles, which of the sine will work towards this? Because there's sine here. So you look for the sine under special angles, the one that gives root 3 over 2. All right, root 3 over 2. So when you watch the table, is in my previous video. Sine that gives root 3 over 2, can you see? That's sine 60. Sine 60. It gives root 3 over 2. So we have it there. So we have sine 60 degrees. So the same thing, the sines are equal, so equate their angle. So A plus 2B equals to 60 degrees, equation 1. Then the second one, cos A plus 4B equals to 0. So again, you look at the cos that gives 0 under the special angles. You understand? So the cos that gives 0 is 90, cos 90. So you put it there. So you have cos A plus 4B equals to cos 90. So you equate the angles together the same way. A plus 4B equals to 90 degrees, equation 2. So the same thing we did, we solved them simultaneously. A plus 2B equals to 60 degrees and A plus 4B equals to 90 degrees. So what do? We minus equation 2 from equation 1. So when we minus equation 2 from equation 1, this will knock out each other. So this is 2b minus, so 2b minus 4b, so this will be minus 2b equals to 60 minus 90, 30 minus 30. So minus will knock out minus. Both of them have minus, so they will knock out each other. So to get b, we divide both sides by 2. So b equals to 15 degrees. Now to get a, the a part, as I told you, use any of the equation, you get it. It's still the same thing. You can use either equation 1 or equation 2. So I'm using equation 1. So I have a from equation 1, a plus 2b equals to 60 degrees. And don't forget my b is 15 degrees. All right. So I will say a plus 2 into 15 degrees equals to 60. So a plus 30 degrees equals to 60 degrees. So A equals to 60 degrees minus 30 degrees. So which is 30 degrees. So A is also 30 degrees. A is also 30 degrees. Now let's solve the third question. In the third question, we were asked to verify. that tan 60 degrees minus tan 30 degrees over 1 plus tan 60 degrees tan 30 degrees equals to tan. So what we're asked to do there is that we are asked to verify if this is equal to this. All right. So let's go. So this is the left side and this is the right hand side. This is the left hand side, this is the right hand. So we can start. Let's start from the left hand side. All right. So tan 60. What's tan 60? Tan 60 from the table of special angles. Tan 60 is root 3 minus tan 30 is 1 over root 3 over 1 plus tan 60 is root 3. You understand? So between tan 60 and tan 30 here is multiplication. So times tan 30 is 1 over root 3. All right. So this is equal to, so what's root 3 minus 1 over root 3? So we have, let's say we have the same as root 3 here. So this 1 over 1, root 3 divided by 1, root 3 times root 3, 3 minus root 3 divided by root 3 is 1, 1 times 1, 1 over this will be 1 plus root 3 times this. So this will cancel out this. So this will be 1. So we have 3 minus 1, 2 over root 3 divided by 2. So this is equal to 2 over root 3 times 1 over 2. So this is 2 here. This is 1 over root 3. So we have deduced that this one is 1 over root 3. So what is tan 30? Let's look at the right side. Tan 30 from the table. Tan 30 is what? 1 over root 3. As you can see, so tan 30 is equal to 1 over root 3. Tan 60 minus tan 30 over 1 plus tan 60 times 60. Tan 30 is also equal to 1 over root 3. So like that. So Trigonometry is so simple once you can understand the basic trigonometry identities, functions, and you can apply them, break them down, and yeah, you can solve any problem on it. So thank you once again. Please share, like, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Please, another class is coming on, which is on calculus. It's going to be a very interesting class. So thank you guys.